friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. Today is Holi, so today I'm going to make mutton curry, ordinary mutton curry as usual, as we make all the time. I hope you all will like it. So this, I've taken mutton over here, 1.5 kilo, you can see it's washed out, and I am going to use the ingredients that also I will show while making the ordinary mutton curry. I've taken onions here, it's cut up over here, you can see about 6 to 7 big onions I have taken and it's cut up, and the rest while I'm making I will show you the ingredients. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. I wish all my viewers happy Holi today. To make the mutton curry, the ordinary mutton curry, I will use mustard oil. I've taken, this is garam masala, khara garam masala. When the oil turns hot, I will put this in. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will put in this garam masala. I have taken 2 chilies. This chilies, I slitted it up. Now I'll put this in also. I have taken some jeera. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the mutton. Friends, this onion also I will put in. Friends, now I will put in the salt. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. I will mix this a little bit. Friends, I have mixed up the mutton and the onions together. Now I will cover this up and let the mutton fry along with the onions. Friends, the masalas which I am going to use now, that is, this is dhania, jeera and black pepper, and this is ginger garlic. All this I am going to grind and make it into a paste. Friends, you can see all the onions all melted up. It's all cooked up. You cannot see the onions. Onions are cooked up well, you can see. Friends, now I am going to put in the masalas. This is the ginger garlic paste. And this is the dhania, jeera and black pepper paste. Friends, I have already put in the turmeric powder and the chili powder. I will not use any more chili powder because the curry may turn very hot. If you all want to put more chili powder, you all can add. Now I will fry the mutton along with the masala. So I will let this fry now. Friends, you can see the mutton frying along with the masala. How nicely it's frying. Friends, today the mutton curry will be very tasty. The ordinary mutton curry. How nicely it's frying with the masala. It will be very tasty and delicious today. You can see how nicely the masala is frying with the mutton. Friends, the masala and the mutton is fried up nicely. Now I will put some water. Hot water I will put. Warm water. Because mutton takes long to cook. So I am adding hot water. Now I will let this cook nicely. Last of all, I will put the dhania patti and the tomatoes. Today the mutton will be very delicious to eat also. Friends, you all should try this to make it like me. Very simple, very ordinary. As usual, every day we make. Now I will let the mutton cook. I will cover it now. Oh God. Friends, now I will put in the tomato. And this is dhania patti. Today I am not putting any meat masala. Without the meat masala also, the mutton curry will be very tasty. The mutton also is cooked up tender. Now I will let this be for another 10 minutes and then take it down. Friends, the ordinary mutton curry is ready. And the mutton also is cooked up tender. I hope you all will like it. How nice and delicious it's looking. You can see it. Thanks for watching my video.